Hello. Okay, sitting up nice and straight and tall, we have 2 sentences to write. These are the last 2 sentences that we're going to write together this year, but you're going to keep writing lots of sentences for the rest of the year. So the first sentence we're going to write together is, yes, I am cold. Can you say that with me? Yes, I am cold. The first word is yes. Give me the sounds. Y, s. When we're writing a sentence, we always put a capital letter at the beginning. Good job. So we need a capital Y. Do you know how to do that? We're going to make a V that's kind of floating in the air, and then we're going to make a line that comes straight down to the baseline. Y, S. Good. After the word yes, we need to pause a little bit. So we're going to put a little comma. We've done this once before. It's just a teeny tiny curved line that goes between or through the baseline. So yes, what's the next word? I. Sound it out. I. When I is a word, it is always capitalized. It doesn't matter if it's at the beginning of a sentence, in the middle, or at the end. It's always capitalized, that I, when it's a word. So we're going to make a space, and then we're going to write I, and we're going to make sure it's a capital I. Good. Make sure yours sits on the baseline. Get mine to sit a little bit more on the baseline. Yes, I am. Sound it out. Okay, before we write this word, we must make a space. Good. So we put our finger down to figure out how far we need to move over. Pick up our pencil or our finger and write Yes, I am cold. Give me the sounds. K, O, O, D. Excellent job. All right, we make our space of one round letter. We move over and we write K, O, O, D. Good. Yes, I am cold. Good job. What goes at the end of a sentence? A period. So it can tell us this is the end. Good writing. Make sure yours looks just like mine. The next sentence we're going to write is zip the zipper. Say that with me. Zip the zipper. The first word is zip. Sound it out with me. Z, I, P. What always goes at the beginning of a sentence? A capital letter. So this Z must be capitalized. It looks just like our lowercase, except it uses all of the space. Z, I, P. Good. Zip. The is our next word. Give me the sounds. Z, E, which is our the. Okay, when we write, we always put a space between our words. So I'm going to make sure there's a space. And I'm going to write E. Zip the zipper. Okay, this is a 2-syllable word. We have zip and purr. Okay, the first syllable, zip, and then the second syllable, with the of her. But we write them all together when we're writing it as a word. Okay, so we're going to make our space of one round letter, move over, and write Z, I, and then we're going to do another P, Zip the zipper. Is this the end of the sentence? Yes, it is. So what do we put? A period. Good job. Let's read all the sentences that we've written today. Yes, I am cold. Zip the zipper. Good job. Draw me a picture that matches these sentences. Read these sentences to your mom and dad, your brothers and sisters, your aunts and uncles and cousins and grandmas and grandpas, and then go back and read the other sentences that you have written. I'm so proud of you. Keep working really hard. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.